Welcome to Vegan Method. In this video we take the humble potato and we turn it into a very tasty rosti. I've got 4 medium potatoes weighing roughly 600 grams, some sea salt and some butter, and we're going to peel the potatoes and then we're going to grate them into a muslin or cloth. So we've finished grating the potatoes. Watch your fingers, and it only needs to be grated coarsely. It doesn't need to be too small or too big. Then once we've got it all together in the muslin, we're going to tie it up and we're going to start getting some of the liquid out. We're going to squeeze as much of the starchy water out of the potatoes as possible before returning it to the bowl. This is where we add the salt. You can also add some pepper at this point. Now what I'm doing, I'm packing the potato into a ramekin ready to go into a frying pan. You can use a chef's ring if you've got one, a steel chef's ring, and then you put that in the frying pan and you can pack the potato inside that. As I haven't got one of those, I've used a ramekin. I'm going to make sure I push all the potato down so it stays together in the frying pan. So I have a really hot pan of butter and just empty the ramekin into the pan, and then what we'll do, we just let that cook for a couple of minutes before we turn it over and cook the other side. Now the cooking time will depend on how thick your rosti is. For this one I made it really thick, so I turned it a few times. Please remember though, if you're turning your rosti, there's a chance it'll fall apart, so don't play with it too much. So it's crispy on one side, the other side is just finishing, and it should be soft in the middle. Once I've finished, I'm going to put it onto some kitchen paper to soak up any excess fat, and then I'm going to serve it. I serve this with some vegan sausages and some greens and some mushrooms for a really tasty dish. So that's how to make really easy rosti. Thank you very much for watching. Please feel free to like, subscribe and leave comments below, and stay safe out there.